Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best industrial sewing machine is probably one of the most robust and durable machines you will ever find, capable of handling even the toughest leather and heavy-duty materials with ease. In this video, we will deep dive into the features, functionalities, and considerations you need to know before purchasing an industrial leather sewing machine, helping you choose the perfect machine for your specific needs and budget. Number 5. Juki DDL 8700H Sewing Machine. Get ready to experience industrial-grade sewing with the Juki DDL 8700H. It's a high-speed, heavy-duty machine perfect for tough fabrics. This single-needle lock-stitch machine boasts impressive speed and power. It's designed to handle even the most demanding sewing projects with ease. It features automatic lubrication for the hook and horizontal axis, ensuring smooth and consistent operation. This also reduces maintenance needs. Everything you need is included: a sturdy table, servo motor, extra bobbins, needles, and a comprehensive instruction manual. It's ready to use once assembled. While assembly is required, the process is straightforward. The included manual provides clear instructions to guide you through each step. Please note that this model does not include a walking foot mechanism. It's ideal for various sewing applications but not specifically for those requiring a walking foot. With its robust build and powerful motor, it's ready to tackle your toughest sewing projects. Start creating today. What we like. It boasts impressive speed and handles heavy materials with ease, all while producing a reliable lock stitch. If you need a robust machine for demanding projects and don't require a walking foot, this is an excellent, cost-effective option. Its speed and durability make it perfect for high-volume work or those who need to sew through thick fabrics quickly. What people say. Handles all my clothing that I make for my small brand. A power horse that is super satisfying to work with and super quiet. Perfect stitch, both on thin and thick fabric, silent motor. Build to last several lifetimes. Quality is very good. The table that comes within build like a military tank. Number 4. Consew 206RB 5 Sewing Machine. It's the top pick for professionals. This machine is known for its reliability and consistent performance. Experience the advantage of a walking foot compound feed. It ensures even fabric feeding for superior results. It boasts an impressive 10 mm stitch length, a high 14 mm foot lift, and a large bobbin for less frequent changes. From furniture, upholstery and leather to automotive and marine applications, it handles a wide range of heavy-duty sewing tasks. It comes complete with a table and servo motor, everything you need to get started. Plus, it's a beautiful white. This machine is built to last, providing years of dependable service. It's an investment in quality and efficiency. What we like. This machine is a workhorse known for its reliability and walking foot for even feeding. If you're looking for consistent results on tough materials like leather or upholstery, this is the one for you. Its triple feed mechanism ensures smooth sewing even on thick, uneven surfaces. What people say. The machine is great and sews perfectly. Just take a look at that sample double French seam. Servo motor is a nice improvement over a clutch motor. With just a few moments of sampling, the machine itself seems to be heavy-duty and working. Arrived at my house in 2 days in 3 boxes. Assembly was easy thanks to YouTube instructions, machine works perfectly, and I am up and running. Number 3. Consew Upholstery Sewing Machine. It's the perfect machine for heavy-duty sewing projects. It's powerful and versatile, designed to handle a wide range of materials. This machine is built to last. Its robust construction ensures years of reliable performance, even with the toughest fabrics. From leather and vinyl to canvas and synthetics, it can sew through almost anything. It's ideal for upholstery, automotive, and marine applications. It features a walking foot, needle feed, and servo motor for precise control and even stitching. You'll get professional results every time. It's perfect for furniture, automotive, and marine upholstery. It's also great for creating tarpaulins, sails, and other heavy-duty items. It has an oil pump system for easy lubrication and maintenance. Keeping it in top condition is simple and straightforward. It arrives unassembled in 3 separate boxes for easy transport and handling. Assembly instructions are included. What we like. Its versatility shines when working with various heavy materials, and a walking foot ensures even feeding. If you work with a wide range of heavy materials and need a reliable machine for upholstery, automotive, or marine applications, this is a great choice. Its robust design and features make it ideal for professional use. What people say. Once through the break-in period and a little tweaking on the oil gate, this machine is as good as if not better than the 206 RB5. Take your time in setting up properly and you'll love the performance. Fantastic quality machine. Packed perfectly. Using to re-upholster boat seats. Getting the job done. This machine is a workhorse. Sets up easily with the help of online YouTube video by Sailrite. Because it is brand new, it is a bit stiff in the presser foot, but the knee lift assists with that as it should. It has all the perks of self-oiling, reverse, easy to thread and fill bobbins. Feet change out easily too, and you can easily change pressure of the presser foot. Number 2. Juki DNU 1541 Industrial Sewing Machine. This is the Juki DNU 1541, a heavy-duty industrial walking foot sewing machine built for efficiency and speed. It's perfect for high-volume sewing projects. It boasts a maximum sewing speed of 2,500 stitches per minute. That means you can complete your projects faster than ever before. With a maximum stitch length of 9 mm, it delivers precise and durable stitches every time. Experience the difference in quality. Its dimensions are 48 by 20 by 48 inches, indicating a sturdy and reliable machine built to last. It's designed for continuous use. It comes with a 110V industrial clutch motor, providing the power you need for heavy fabrics. It handles tough materials with ease. It uses a 135 by 17 needle, ensuring consistent and accurate stitching. This needle is specifically designed for industrial use. What we like. This model offers a great balance of speed and durability, perfect for high-volume work. If you need a fast, reliable walking foot machine for various applications, this is a solid option. Its speed and walking foot make it suitable for a wide range of materials and projects. What people say. The machine has performed on different thickness of cloth as expected and is quiet. Sews through pretty thick leather without a problem. If you can get the material under the foot, it will sew it. This machine is a beast and will sew anything. It sewed through 6 layers of heavy leather as if it were sewing a single layer of quilting cotton. Number 1. Cobbler Shoe Repair Machine. It's built to last with high-quality cast iron. This machine handles various thread types, unlike other models, making it incredibly versatile. This manual machine gives you precise control. With a speed of 500 stitches per minute, it'll significantly speed up your work. The hand wheel is adjustable, and the small handle lets you easily control the needle. It's designed for comfortable and efficient use. It comes with 2 shuttle sizes, perfect for DIY projects. You can even sew small tubular items with ease. The presser foot rotates a full 360 degrees. This allows you to adjust your sewing path for flawless stitches every time. It handles tough materials like leather, rubber, and canvas. Use it to repair shoes, bags, and even tents. What we like. This hand crank machine gives you ultimate control and precision for intricate work. If you value precision and control, and need a machine for detailed repairs or smaller projects, this is perfect. Its manual operation allows for fine adjustments and makes it ideal for delicate tasks. What people say. It took a while to learn how to wind the bobbins, but I am very happy with this investment. This is a heavy machine cast iron. I put a 1 horsepower motor on it and built a table for it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.